Wow, well done, Finley. Anya, what do you think of Finley's performance then?
I don't think you're a human. I've never seen an 8-year-old do that in my life. And I've seen some weird stuff. I didn't even write anything down. I was like, you started doing it and I was like, no, it's a backing track. And I was looking at that, I was like, nothing's playing. And I was watching him and I could see you breathing. I was like, that's real. And I was like, what? I looked at Kenny, I was like, how's she doing this? And she was like, I don't know. That's incredible. Can you teach me? I can't do it. I'm lost for words. That was incredible. You were awesome.
Kelly, what do you think of Finley?
Oh, what an amazing talent that you've got. And yeah, I can't wait to see what else you can do, because I think that there's so much you can do. Like with you know, there's so much different things that you can explore, and I'm excited to see where you can bring. And you'll have to teach my daughter to beatbox. What do you think of that, Mel? You want to beatbox, don't you? Yeah? Yeah. There you go, got the thumbs up. That was brilliant. Well done.
I'm sat here smiling, Finley. The reason why I'm smiling is because obviously we announced what categories we all got earlier on, and I got the variety acts which you sit in, and oh my god, I've got so many ideas to get this type of act, so creative on that stage, and my mind's going like boom, 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 because there's so much potential there. Now, your mum did send me a clip of you in the week of only a rough clip of what you could do, and I was a bit taken back because I thought this is definitely not an 8-year-old doing this, because that technique, you know, for a lot of people, you know, watching tonight might think, well, he's just making noises with his mouth. It's not. This technique is so difficult and is probably harder to do than singing, because he has to control his breathing in so many different ways. And I want people to know that it's very, very challenging. But there is so much you can bring to this act. Like, I want to say you should be really, really proud of what you just done. I think where we need to go from you, you're at the beginning. Very, very beginning of your musical career, you're now, because you're 8 years of age, you've literally just stepped on the stage, showed us what you're capable of. All we need to do is take that to another level now. You know, your performance, your presentation, but there's so many ideas, and I'll have a chat with Mum and that anyway, what's going through my mind and that, but this has got massive potential. You should be proud of what you've just done, buddy. Well done, you smashed it. Well done, buddy.